2025, a CCTV camera in the corner of a highway interchange recorded something that many pedestrians had witnessed but couldn't make sense of. They were frightened by what emerged from this highway. At around 2:20 p.m., pedestrians on the Concordia Bridge Highway in
Move your
Mexico
hand.
City were suddenly surrounded by a strange fog that seemingly came
Oh.
from nowhere. They weren't sure where the fog had come from or why many people were
You
running
okay,
away from
baby?
it. But when news broke that a gas tanker had tipped over
Oh,
on a curving ramp
bless
with a
you.
massive cloud of gas, things made sense now. Except for one thing. While researching this incident, I found a surprisingly
It's so
evidence for
bright.
people claiming to have seen silhouettes or shadow
Uh-oh.
figures
About to
floating
sneeze
in the
again.
smoke. Although the fog was no longer a mystery, people still
Oh.
couldn't explain the strange presence and eerie shadows they saw in the mist.
Dude, that tail's going crazy. Malika, you okay?
Show any of the so-called flying silhouettes people saw, or even capture something that's just as unsettling. On May 25th of 2026, almost a year later, a motorcyclist travels down the same highway with the gas
This one is
happened.
bright.
Sorry, here, let me turn it off.
Mind you, that the reason this bridge looks darker than usual is because shortly after the gas leak, a spark had lit up the plate.